Hi guys, we just returned from the collecting 1000 coins in one turn in Subway Surfer. Today I will continue the video. I am with Dino now. I'll collect 1000 coins. And I'm sure I will beat my brother. It's interesting, yeah, that he collected 10,000 coins, but I collected 3,000. And I collected the first letter is C from the World Hunt Treasure. My brother, I signed in, but my brother, no. I watched another video. Yeah, baby. And the second letter for city, I. Do you know why really I watched the video? Because I need to collect 1000 coins. I need to collect 2000 coins. I need to collect 11,000 coins. The third letter of the word city, it is the letter T. The third letter, the fourth letter, and the last letter for the word city, it is the Y. And I collected all the word in one turn. That's impossible. Use my super hoverboard again. It's so fast now, but I'm so strong in Subway Surfer, and I try to beat my brother's score. Actually, not my brother's score, my brother's high score. Do you know? Next video, I will be presenting the third part from collecting 1000 coins in Subway Surf. It's so hard. I can't believe that I collected 3,000 coins, and now in the camera I collected only 1,000. I try to collect 2,000 now. Subscribe and turn the notification bell, please, to wish me good luck and destroy the high score of my brother. Because I don't love that my brother is better than me in Subway Surf. I'm better than him in merch playing. Yeah, baby. Next video, after I complete the third part of collecting 1000, I will show you that I'm a master in merge playing. All that I will show you in the fourth part of collecting Subway 1000 coins in Subway Surf. My brother is watching Lizzie share. He just came from my video. He watched it when I downloaded it, and he said it's okay. The video is not bad. I need to say that my video is excellent. If you love me, guys, say in the comments that all my videos are nice. To wish me good luck and collect 1000 subscribers. Please subscribe. I need you to subscribe to my channel. I need you to subscribe. My first vlog, it was bad because I didn't know how to download a video, but now I know, and I win 1 times head start active too, and I want to download it too. I will go Alphabet. I need to go to the toilet. I'm back, guys, and I'm continue my doubling head start. Yeah, baby, double plus. You get 2 times head start. Active to get a head start. I'm not directly activate, so I get the third, so I can go super fast. And that's a mystery box. I need my super heavy board. I need it. Shoot, I missed a bunch of money. I didn't collect them, and I missed 1 coin. But it's okay, only 1. But now I will be 45, 62 if I didn't collect the 1. No, I will be 82. And I need to my board. Yeah, baby. My security cam. My magnet. Yeah, baby. I missed already 1 coin, and I missed now 2 coins. I missed 3 coins. No. I need my hoverboard, yes, and my security cam, my magnet. And yeah, baby, I'm collecting a bunch of money. No, my security cam, I didn't catch it. The police will get it. My security cam. Yes! My security camera. I need my hoverboard. Please. My hoverboard is here. I need to collect 2,000. I need to collect 2,000. It's okay if I collected 1,000, but it's better if I collected 2,000. Yeah, baby. I need. Yeah, baby. I have all these new videos. This is my second video today. Yeah, baby. Please subscribe to Jadkobeissi and his videos. They are cool and frequent and exploring projects also. Please. They are very cool YouTubers, very good things. They do very good things like Hot Wheels, Chat Prank TV, and this video. It was so cool. So I wish I got 5 million subscribers. I don't want to download this game. Shame on you. Shame on you, this game. Not Subway Surfer. Shame on you, Subway Surfer, for giving a character that we have to connect in Facebook to get it. Shame on you. I'm joking. I love Subway Surfer, but only I'm joking. No, Dookies, it's okay. Yes, I'm destroying someone's scores and someone's high scores. I need to destroy them because I need to destroy them and they will be dead. I love YouTubers. I used to be a YouTuber, but now I am. I wish I'd be a YouTuber, not Jadkobeissi. He has so money. If I get 1,000 subscribers, I will get a YouTube award. Subscribe to Jadkobeissi. If you love me, subscribe them. If you love me,